How to download TeamViewer in your laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download TeamViewer in your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing you will need to do is open up a web browser and then simply search for TeamViewer. After you search for it, you will see TeamViewer. You can open the website up. You can directly go to teamviewer.com as well. Now, you can accept the cookies here, and here you'll find free download option. Tap on it and download the app. Now after you're here, you will see different options such as the packages and the free download option. Tap on download now for the free option. If you want to get the package, you can get that as well. Now select your version of your iOS, and after you do that, you will see different options of which you want to download. Now if you want to download the full client, you can download this here. You can even check the description of their services provided. If you want a quick support for TeamViewer, you can download that as well. Now, all you need to do is tap on the download option. So I'll just tap on the download option for the package that I want, and it should start downloading right here. Now, while this downloads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, yeah, it's almost downloaded. Now we'll start setting this up. So let's wait while this downloads, and now you can open this up. Wait for it. And after you've opened it up, you will see different options here. You can tap on next, you can tap on next, keep on tapping on next, and it should start loading like this. After it starts loading like this, you will just need to wait for it to reach 100%. And after it does that, you can just tap on next after the next option pops up. Now there you go, it is making new locations. As you can see right here, the team is just getting downloaded. Now you will need to accept the terms and policies, tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, you're basically almost done with the installation process. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.